How do I balance technical constraints with the needs of a customer? Now, as an AWS Solutions Architect, first and foremost, my priority is to understand the needs of my customer and then work backwards from there to figure out how I can help them achieve their business outcomes. Now, sometimes up under technical constraints, there's other constraints like resources. How many people do we have on the engineering and dev team to tackle a problem? Or did the customer inherit an architecture that they're unfamiliar with? Did the customer build an architecture that doesn't scale well? Perhaps it's a cost optimization issue that's causing them to pick a technical solution based on price, but in the long run, it's not what is going to be best to help that customer be successful. What I would start with when I'm just meeting that customer is to do a full architecture review. And I would like to do that using the AWS World Architected Framework. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the 6 pillars. Particularly, I'm going to look at security, cost, operational excellence, reliability, and performance. The 6 is sustainability. While important, early days, I would focus on those 5 first. And then I'm going to do a heat map to figure out in each one of those respective pillars what is security looking like and all the remaining pillars from good to not so good to bad. So that's a heat map. Green is good, yellow is things we need to improve, and red are critical things that we need to address right then and there. Of those constraints, one of the things we absolutely cannot compromise on is security. So we're going to address those security concerns first. After I've done that full architecture review, I'm going to sit down, analyze all those results, figure out and analyze the needs of the customer that they've communicated to me, and then we're going to come up with a plan of how we can get the customer back on track. That can be many different things. That could be refactoring the architecture. That could be looking at a database and figuring out, okay, you know what, we chose a relational database, but this isn't the right tool for the right job. There's so many factors that go into this, but this is just some of the method to the madness that I navigate. And this is definitely something as a solution architect that you're going to be dealing with on a daily basis. No problem is going to be simple. There's not going to be too many binary answers where a customer asks you a question and you just simply say yes or no. A lot of times it truly is going to be, it depends, constraints, and a number of trade-offs that you're going to have to work through.